Payments are an essential part of running a smooth, profitable beauty business. With Reservio, payment processing is directly integrated with your scheduling calendar, making it simple, cost-effective, and seamless. Clients can easily pay online when they book, securing their appointment while you secure your income. It's also a great way to reduce no-shows, as prepayment ensures commitment and serves as a revenue protection. On-site payments are just as easy. With our state-of-the-art payment terminals, clients can pay by cash, card, or digital wallets. We support all the most common payment methods like Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and many more. Reservio's built-in POS system also lets you manage and offer physical products during checkout, making it easy to recommend and sell self-care items. After each transaction, the system updates your inventory, sends a digital receipt, and keeps stock levels current. When it's time to restock, Reservio notifies you automatically. Best of all, every transaction is logged in the system, giving you organized, reliable financial records. No extra software needed. Try Reservio with a 14-day free trial and explore all features with no commitment. Just create a free account at reservio.com.